Hi, I am Tamar Russell Brown from Sitka Creations, a creative studio where we do lots of creative things. Today, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about social media marketing and specifically social sharing. We're finding that a lot of our clients who have teams in-house have trouble getting their team to share things and to get their team to interact with their social media accounts. So I kind of wanted to talk to all of you who are workers and you're with a company and your company does marketing to get more work. If you're with a company that's doing social media and you want to build your own presence, help your company at the same time, and help yourself long-term, these are a couple of tips that we have without sharing a screen to show you how. There's a few tips I wanted to share with you today. Let's talk about Instagram first. For Instagram, if you have a personal Instagram account, at least follow your company that you work for. If you're really interested in sharing the things that your company is sharing, you can always share their post to your story. At the minimal, you want to like their posts. And if you have someone who might be interested in the post, you can tag them in the comments section. And you use this by using the @ symbol, that little symbol with the A in the middle, the @. So that's for Instagram. Next, let's talk about Facebook. Most of these platforms have something underneath the post that says share. Almost every platform does. So if you're having your personal Facebook page, and you want to share your company's information to your personal Facebook page, this may not always be appropriate. But let's say, for example, your law firm goes out on an outing and your company is supporting this sort of fundraiser, and you're all going there and there's a cocktail party and you're going to take lots of pretty pictures of each other. And your company shares a post about that fundraiser that you all attended the cocktail party of. You want to make sure that on your personal page, to show that you were there, that you don't just post your own pictures. You might want to share the post from your company, and you can do that with the share option. The same would be true of LinkedIn. If you want to build up your own personal LinkedIn, share your company's posts. It shows A, where you work, and B, it helps your company because it's getting a little bit more reach by you sharing it. And this can be done again with the share option. And finally, Twitter. This is the same. You can also share and reshare posts. And what we would suggest with both LinkedIn and Twitter is to put a comment in. Say something, don't just share. And that shows that you're actually engaging with the content, and it helps you again and your company. If your company needs help with social media, we do this as part of our offering list of services. So contact us at Sitka Creations. You can find us obviously on social media under the hashtag Sitka Creations.